Starting a YouTube channel is frustrating. You're pumping out videos and getting nothing. YouTube is not going to pay you because you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, but the smartest YouTubers don't sit around and wait, do they? They know how to monetize in week number one. How do I know this? Well, I run this channel with 150k subs, as well as faceless channels in both entertainment and education niches. You can watch my full training later where I go through my full story and everything in detail. Link below. And I help creators not only build these channels, but actually monetize. Alright, so let's begin. People love to complain about the YouTube partner program. They say it pays too little, they say AdSense is dead, they say it doesn't matter, blah blah blah, but joining the partner program is still a really good idea. You'll start earning some money from your channel, from your videos, a little bit for every view on your channel, thanks to the ads that YouTube shows. And here's the funny part. Even if you're not in the partner program, YouTube may still show ads on your videos, so there's literally no reason to skip it. It's like burning money. The problem is rather when creators build their whole strategy around YouTube AdSense. Now, don't get me wrong, there are channels making serious money from ads, and I've done the same. But if you're getting millions of views every month, right, of course it's gonna be pretty hard not to make good money. But here's the problem. First of all, you can't start from day one. You need to hit YouTube's requirements, get approved, wait for that, get monetized. And while you're waiting, you're ignoring all the other ways you could be making money. Plus, you're also relying on one income source, which is risky. And the more streams you have, the safer you are. So now here's the real question. How do you monetize a channel from week number one? The answer is quite simple in theory. It's to start thinking like a business owner. Most channels obsess about views, but views don't really pay the bills, do they? A channel getting 100,000 views a month with a good system can easily make more than a channel getting 10 times that with no good monetization strategy. So that brings us on to step one, which is choosing a niche that can actually make a profit. And honestly, I would stop obsessing about entertainment. Your videos can absolutely be entertaining, but they should solve a real problem somehow. Because when you solve a problem, you attract people that are willing to spend money to solve that problem, and that's where the real opportunity is. Think about it like this. Nobody wakes up at 3 a.m. desperately looking for a funny meme, but they will stay up to 3 a.m. trying to lose weight, make more money, grow a business, start a career, something like that, fix a relationship, learn a skill. Those are expensive problems. And expensive problems create profitable niches. So you don't need to do this. You can start a regular entertainment channel as well. But from experience, if you want to be able to monetize quickly and monetize the right way, I like to follow something called the HWR strategy when picking a niche. And to keep it really simple and actionable today, I'm going to give you some examples. Health, business, wealth, productivity, tech, careers, relationships. Each one of these kind of problems has hundreds of sub-niches or sub-problems with channels that you can find. The goal is finding a problem that people are actively trying to solve. That's going to make your whole channel much stronger. Now, the next step is building a content system. And most creators post random videos and they wonder why nothing really grows. But every video should serve a purpose, right? Every video should attract some type of viewer, which is usually the same, in different formats, but the same audience. And that is how you build a consistent audience that actually returns to your channel. And that opens you up to all forms of monetization later because you're trying to build a system that consistently attracts the right audience, the right people, step by step. Now, this is where things get interesting because getting views is only half the game. You still need a machine, you need a way to turn those views into something that actually matters. And so one of my favorite ways to do that is called the hub and spoke model. Sounds fancy, but it's actually really simple and it's just a fancy name. Your regular videos are the spokes around. So these are kind of like the regular videos. And these assets on your channel, they get views, they build trust, they answer questions, they help people, they get people into your system, into your channel, into your community. And then you create one or multiple monetization videos, which are the hub. So maybe it's a software that you're reviewing, maybe it's a sales video if you're selling something, maybe it's a comparison video, maybe it's an affiliate product that you review, it's a tutorial about something, whatever. The point is that this is where the sales get made. Your other videos bring in people, they get views into your ecosystem, and some of those viewers naturally end up going to this hub, which is the hub where you start converting them. And that's where all the magic happens. Now, the beauty of the system is it works incredibly well for faceless channels because people don't need a personal relationship with you. They just need a solution. So if you're starting a faceless channel, affiliate marketing is probably the easiest way to get started because you don't need a product, a team, a website, huge audience, whatever. You just connect people over here with the right product and the solution, and you, being the kind of middleman, earns a commission when they buy. It's very simple. Now, here's where a lot of people mess up because they promote products that pay tiny commissions. I've done this mistake. Don't do that. Look for offers that are either high ticket or recurring. Those are the best. Let's say there's a software that costs $99 a month and you get 40% recurring commissions for a sign up. Well, that's pretty serious. And you don't have to deliver on anything. You just make your faceless videos, and whenever somebody signs up, well, you're officially a partner in that sales process. Now, some good places to find a lot of these offers are going to be Impact, which is a large platform for affiliates. You have Partner Stack, Awin, ClickBank for more OG offers, and there's a lot of stuff that you can find online. So if you want to monetize your channel from week one, here's what I want you to remember. Don't focus only on views, focus on potential revenue. Don't pick a bad niche, and also don't wait for AdSense. It's going to be useful, but it's going to be useful later. And also, one of my big things is don't make this more complicated than it needs to be. Seriously. A lot of people overcomplicate everything. I sometimes, well, quite often do that myself, but it's actually pretty simple. Solve problems with your content, build a content system, use the hub and spoke model, connect viewers with problems or problems with solutions, and that's it. Success on YouTube isn't random. It's a system plus good strategy and good execution, just like any other business.